Hello, everyone. My name is Eric Feldman. I'm interning with Miller Johnson in the education group. Today's 5-minute message will be about school safety update.
I'm back today with another bill signing in front of me that's going to keep our kids safer at school.
So on January 22nd, 2025, Governor Whitmer signed 19 bills that addresses school safety, including executive order, with the intention to protect students and enhance school safety throughout the state of Michigan. These bills enhance school safety, including the following, and we'll just go one by one here, but there were House Bills 5450 and 5451, which the purpose is to aim to protect students from gun violence by mandating that information on the safe storage of firearms, which have to be developed by the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services by July 1st of 2025. That has to be distributed, that information, to parents of students by both public and non-public schools beginning October 1st, 2025, and every October 1st thereafter, so every year thereafter. The next one was House Bill 5549, which really is important. Enhance classroom safety for students and educators by establishing a behavior threat assessment and management team. Now, many schools have this, but this is now requiring it. This team will monitor students concerning behavior, implement supportive measures to mitigate potential threats, and provide students with the tools they need to thrive. Both public and non-public schools must implement this by October 1st, 2026. So sometime, and I know many schools have this, but this is a pretty important thing to establish this behavior threat in addition to having the team in place. House Bill 4096, intends to keep students and educators safe amongst themselves for public safety threats by requiring a standardized response terminology used by schools in response to emergency situations. This has have to be developed by the Michigan State Police by July 1st, 2026. Now, this is very important because many schools throughout the state have different terminologies, which can get confusing. So they want, or the legislature wanted a standardized language so that all schools use the same one, so everyone can be on the same page. Both public and non-public schools must implement the standardized response terminology beginning with the 2026 and 2027 school year. So there is time for this, but this will be a major, once implemented, this will have to be a major training event so that everyone is on the same page, including staff, students, and police. House Bill 5659 establish a new school safety and mental health commission within the Department of State Police, or the MSP, which will focus on improving mental health for our school-age children, which is very important, adolescents and their families, as well as reducing suicide rates among Michigan youth. In addition, this is where the executive order was issued by the governor, which provides that certain members must be included in the commission. So this is just an overall commission to enhance and make the safety amongst the mental health a major component to assist our kiddos. Then we had multiple bills, which were about 3 of them, 6144, 6145, and 6146, which aim to enhance the safety of Michigan communities by mandating that state police destroy all firearms acquired through the gun buyback programs, which I think is a very important thing for the MSP to do. And then finishing up, we also have House Bill 5400 and 5401, which bolster public safety in Michigan. This protects individuals from hate crimes, including amending the sentencing guidelines for hate crime. We then have Bill 5887 and 5888, which expand protections against all forms of sexual violence, and then specific criminal codes penalties for that. In addition, we have House Bill 4485, which will aid in the delivering of justice for survivors of sexual assault by extending the statute of limitations, that's what the SOL there means, for filing second or third degree criminal sexual conduct charges. We also have House Bill 6046, will expand access to the services that help prevent the worst of the violent events before they occur. We also had a couple of House bills created to that the Michigan Sentencing will support criminal justice reform. We had all of those bills. And then House Bill 5695, which increases the financial support available to local municipalities that provide ground ambulance services to individuals relying on Medicaid. So what do all these bills do? So we have to look at it in totality, right? In totality, these measures were intended to safeguard our students and communities because they have to work with one another, enhance school safety, and address the critical public safety and mental health issues. So again, we'll be having, some of these are not school required actions, they're just gonna be done, some are. And have to implement policies, procedures, standardized tests, terminology, distribute information. So again, Miller Johnson will be providing alerts for this and information coming up. And if you need any assistance regarding this legislation, any questions, you can contact the Miller Johnson Education Law Attorneys at our school policy services. Once again, we thank you and hope this was information that we feel very important for everyone to hear. Thank you so much and have a good day.